Sun breaks white on a midnight drive. Open road, breathing me back to life. That warm rush running through my veins, like the first rain after a long dry day. No church bells, no preacher's words, just the loudest truth I've ever heard. Holy, when the night feels endless wide and the stars come burning through the sky.
Good morning, it's 9 a.m. This is Nanwan, the most popular spot in Canton for water activities. But just because of its hustle and bustle, I only took my family here once. Oh, by the way, my 16-year-old daughter has been here 16 times because his father does love this tropical paradise. Today, I plan to ride to Shuangliu Forest recreational area, hike inside it, and ride to Taidong.
No church bells, no preacher's words, just the loudest truth I've ever heard.
I got up at 6 a.m. After running the center and along the trail behind it for an hour. I had breakfast in the cafeteria. Although it's all you can eat, not many options are offered. I just have a bowl of rice with fried vegetable, fried eggs, and minced pork. But for me, it's still a great experience to have breakfast in such a vintage wooden building. However, I'd hope that I could have had a cup of fresh ground coffee, not just hot bitter brown liquid from a glass kettle over the heater.
Red clay dust in a firefly glow. Every mile deeper, the less I know.
Lucky me, the weather is superb. I know it's impossible to always ride in fine weather, but because this is my first time to motorcycle around the island, I'm not familiar with some parts of the route, and I don't know how well my body can deal with these long periods of motorcycling. I sincerely hope to be able to ride cozily. I don't want to check the direction or fight against the fatigue in the heavy cold rain.
When the night feels endless wide and the stars come burning through the sky.
I'm in Fenggang now. Here I turn right to get into South Link Highway. It's my first time to ride a motorcycle on it. It's so thrilling.
Every note in the song of the earth, every crash, every whisper, every rebirth. It's bigger than me, but it pulls me in like the ocean tide, like the way it begins. When the night feels endless wide and the stars come burning through the sky. Hold me in this moment's light. Every heartbeat's a hallelujah high.
Here I left South Link Highway. Wow, it's lined with common garcinia on both sides, exhibiting beauty of consistency. It's cloudy. I think it's going to rain. Hope that it will just drizzle. Here I am, Shuangliu Forest recreational area. I've been curious about this place for decades. It's 10:15 a.m. I'm gonna hike to Shuangli Waterfall, though I also want to climb mountain mounts. I don't think I have enough time. Anyway, if it's still early when I come back here, maybe I'll walk into it. Very cute models of chestnuts, 100 times as large as real ones. Looking at them, I wonder if a giant chipmunk would appear out of the blue. This is sunshine grassland. It's really spacious, though it's beautiful. I prefer to see a forest. I doubt it may actually serve as a helipad for rescue or military drills. It says the dam of Shuangli River has been improved. It can now more efficiently block gravel and water from the upper reaches, and at the same time serve as a passage for the fish from the lower reaches. I have seen the picture of this park many times. This is sort of the signature view of this park. This gurgling of the river is absolutely soothing. This reminds me that it said the reason why we human beings love this sound is that we all have been soaked in amniotic fluid for 10 months. I really want to climb mountain mounts. According to the official information, it's challenging level. And the trail I'm walking on now is for a family. The word challenging always tantalizes me, but I do have not enough time to make it to the top of it. So I want to say that it's okay. Next time, I'll mount it. But it's in Henchun and I'm from Keelung. I wonder when I can come here again. I guess the water must be very cold. A view observing platform made with wood and iron, with 2 floors. Here finally I'm walking in the forest. I've been walking in River Valley until now. I can hear the rumbling of the waterfall. I think I'm going to get to the waterfall. This is Shuangli Waterfall. It's 25 meters high. It's close to the confluence of Neiwen River and Shuangli River. Its observation deck isn't set on the foot of its water curtain, but over the water curtain. This allows the viewers to take in the waterfall, the woods on both sides, and the river under it. If the deck is set on the foot of it, viewers focus on the power of falling water. Both are fantastic ways to watch the waterfall. I'm now in Daren. When I was landing my drone in Shuangliu, it started to rain heavily, so I packed all my gadgets in my backpack and in all the recording. I don't know if I'm lucky or not, or at least I sort of finished recording the forest park. But it's still a pity I didn't record after I left Shuangliu. Turn right and then people can get into the original South Link Highway. Though the overpass of the new one saves travelers a lot of time, it makes us skip the pleasure of riding in the mountains. I've desired to ride on this remote southeastern coastal highway for more than 2 decades. At the age of 28, I drove here with my father and stopped at Bashendong. Standing high above at one of the sea caves, I saw a young man in shorts riding along on a Suzuki Grasshopper 250 down there. At the moment, there were no other vehicles on the road. Expansive ocean, mountains skirting coastal highway, south mountains, gentle waves, and a free spirit make excellent composition. I had kept this image in mind since then, and then, more than 1 year later, I got married. 3 years later, I became father. 9 years later, my younger daughter came to this world. Then, this riding on the southeastern coastal highway dream drifted away. After more than 20 years, I now finally became the one who is riding here, and I imagine that 28-year-old me is looking at this 50-year-old me. Maybe you see me just riding and riding, but for me, it's nothing short of a time-traveling journey. The evening light is lit. Though it is not raining heavily, the wind is cold and moist, and the visibility is poor, so I didn't pull over to check out any tourist attractions. I'm riding all the way to Taitung downtown, staying there overnight. Hope that when I get up tomorrow, the weather can be fine, because I plan to ride to Sanshantai, Bashendong, and the museum in Yilan. See you tomorrow!